Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this video, we will learn how to say Happy New Year in Hebrew. We will learn how we got from here to here, Shana Ezrachit Tova, and we will learn some new vocabulary, Otzar Milim. So stay tuned. First, let's see what they say in English. And it's not what we say in Hebrew, but we can learn things from this. So Happy New Year in English, happy is in Hebrew sameach if you're a man, and smecha if you're a woman. So if I want to say that I am happy, I would say ani smecha. New is chadash, chadasha. Year is shana, and years, shanim. By the way, you see sameach, the dot is here on the left, and here chadash, the dot is here on the right, and shana, the dot is here on the right. And how do you know this? Because you repeat and memorize the words, and then you would know when you see a text with no Niqqud if it's sin or shin. So you have to memorize leshanen, 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 leshanen. And if you remember from last lesson, Deuteronomy, Tfilat Shema Yisrael, right? Chapter 6, verse 7, Veshinanta levanecha, there was this verb, leshanen. So over and over again, you would say in Hebrew, shuv v'shuv. Shin, shin, the dot here is on the right. So leshanen, shuv v'shuv v'shuv. This is a chance to learn new vocabulary. A happy new year. Otzar milim chadash, new vocabulary. So vocabulary in Hebrew is otzar milim chadash. It relates, the adjective relates to the noun, and otzar is male. So it is chadash, not chadasha. New vocabulary, otzar milim. Otzar is a treasure, and plural otzarot. Treasure usually is a collection, a large one of valuable things such as money, jewelry, works of art, but it is also about knowledge, and you can understand this when you're walking inside a library and you see all the books, and you would say, wow, this is quite a treasure here, knowledge. So it's also a metaphor. Milim, word is mila, and here is with no nikud, and the yod here, so you will know how to say the sound. So it is mi, mila, mila. And words milim or milot. So here we say otzar milim, we don't say otzar milot. It depends on the context. So, new words. Milim chadashot. And now to our mystery. Happy New Year, but in Hebrew, Shana Ezrachit Tova. What gives? So, Shana, year. Okay, as you see, we put the word Shana, it's the first word in the sentence. In English, the last one. And now, what is Ezrachit and what is Tova? Let's start with Tova. Adjective and adjective, right? So, good is Tov, male, and Tova. If I'm a good woman, ani isha tova, ani tova. I'm good in what I do, ani tova bema she'ani osa. Alright, ezrachit. So, citizen and civilian noun is ezrach, male, ezrachit, feminine, right? Male, masculine, man, whatever. Feminine, woman, female, ezrachit. That's the noun. But adjective, here it is adjective. So ezrachi, ezrachit. Civilian, civil. and Shana in Hebrew is feminine. So we need the adjective here, this one, Ezrachit. Then that is why Shana Ezrachit Tova. This is the Gregorian calendar in Hebrew. If you want to know the difference, citizen noun, like the movie Citizen Kane, Ha'ezrach Kane. I said the Gregorian calendar because the Jewish people will also have Jewish year, holidays. So it's usually from September to September or October to October. So Shana Ezrachit Tova, this is one way to say. It's a bit long, so most of the people would say just Shana Tova. Or if you want to be obnoxious, you can say Shnat 2025 Tova. This is a year, right? So 2025, Shnat 2025. This is 5, right? So 20 is 20. Together 2025. So Shnat 2025 Tova. And by the time you said this, all your friends would be gone, I think. So I think Shana Tova is the best way to say this. This is my chance to wish you all Happy New Year in other languages. Bonne année in French. Frohes neues Jahr in German. Akemashite omedeto gozaimasu in Japanese. Annum novum Faustum felicem in Latin, and of course in Hebrew, Shana Tova. Leitraot bekarov, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.